Good morning, dear student. Today I am studying for Social Science Geography, third chapter, The Earth and the Motions. Okay, now I am studying for this video and listen and enjoy the video. Start now.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth did not rotate? Hello everyone. Today we will understand the motions of the Earth. The Earth has two types of motions: rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. The Earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. The period of rotation is known as the Earth day. If the Earth did not rotate, the portion of the Earth facing the Sun would always experience day, thus bringing continuous warmth to the region. The other half would remain in darkness and be freezing cold all the time. Life would not have been possible in such extreme conditions. Due to the spherical shape of the Earth, only half of it gets light from the Sun at a time. The portion facing the Sun experiences day, while the other half away from the Sun experiences night. The circle that divides the day from night on the globe is called the circle of illumination. This circle does not coincide with the axis. Revolution, on the other hand, is the movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the Sun. We consider a year as consisting of 365 days only, and ignore 6 hours for the sake of convenience. 6 hours saved every year are added to make 24 hours. That is one day over a span of 4 years. This surplus day is added to the month of February. Thus every fourth year, February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. The Earth goes around the Sun in an elliptical orbit, and is inclined in the same direction throughout its orbit. Thus, it is due to Earth's revolution around the Sun on a tilted axis that we experience different seasons, and it is Earth's rotation around its axis that causes day and night. A year is divided into 4 seasons, that is, summer, winter, spring and autumn. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. The rays of the Sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. As a result, these areas receive more heat. The areas near the poles received less heat as the rays of the Sun are slanting. The North Pole is inclined towards the Sun, and the places beyond the Arctic Circle experienced continuous daylight for about 6 months. Since a large portion of the northern hemisphere is getting light from the Sun, it is summer in the regions north of the equator. The longest day and the shortest night at these places occur on 21st June. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all these conditions are reversed. It is winter season there. The nights are longer than the days. This position of the Earth is called the summer solstice. On 22nd December, The Tropic of Capricorn receives direct rays of the sun as the South Pole tilts towards it. As the sun's rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn, a larger portion of the southern hemisphere gets light. Therefore, it is summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. The reverse happens in the northern hemisphere. This position of the Earth is called the winter solstice. On 21st March and September 23rd, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun, so the whole Earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. On 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. The opposite is the case on 21st March, when it is spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Next topic, maps.